What's up guys, Ivan here, and yeah, welcome to this video. This is my first driving video in mountains, and yeah, I'm going to wash the front screen, the windshield, and look at this view. These are the Slovak mountains, 100D, so this is a diesel car, and yeah, I'm just going to drive now to the ski resort, but now it's fall, so no snow yet. It's actually quite warm and sunny weather. So yeah, this car is amazing to drive, and really it excels in every aspect. Just 2 days ago and yesterday I was driving 1000 kilometers on a highway, and this car is excellent. It's very relaxing and it doesn't consume much fuel, so it's ideal car for daily drive. And with this AMG package also the suspension is much more sporty than normal suspension, so it sits nicely on the road, and yeah, in the corners it doesn't like tilt. So yeah, great car. This steering wheel is really nice and thick. I'm just going to pop now in the sport mode and overtake this mini lorry. So in sport mode the engine and gearbox is working much more quick, and yeah, really nicely. So if you need to overtake, for sure use sport on these country roads. And yeah, many cyclists like that. Really nice. I stuck behind this car and I don't want to overtake it, because otherwise I would need to exceed the speed limit. Speed limit here is 90 kilometers per hour. So yeah, when I don't overtake, I switch the mode to the comfort. Look at these mountains, it's just beautiful. Sometimes the tarmac is not like excellent, but this car can handle also bad tarmac, so no big deal. So I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy this beautiful mountain drive. seats can hold you very nicely in the corners. I'm not going fast now, but yeah, they are really comfortable on the highway as well. If you hear some noises, it's just a plastic bottle maybe wobbling.
Prepare to turn left.
So no rattle from the dashboard or anything. Acceleration uphill, really nice for the power, 116 horsepower. This corner is really challenging for many cars, but this car, it can handle like nothing. The AMG suspension helps a lot, so I recommend highly to buy AMG line, because it's not only exterior and interior looks, but also the suspension is different.
Please follow the road for 800 meters.
Sport mode is doing what it can. It just really sits nicely in the corners.
Prepare to keep right.
I'm impressed. This is really uphill, so for many cars it's challenging to even go there with normal speed.
In 200 meters, keep
okay,
right.
We are in the city now. So yeah, we are in the resort. I can go put it in the comfort.
Now keep right. In 200 meters, turn slight left. Now turn slight left. In 200 meters, turn left. Now turn left. In 100 meters, turn left.
Hi Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Cancel route guidance.
Cancelling route guidance.
So I know this road well. I was here many times. Not sure why it says that I should go there, because the road to the hotel is here. But yeah, otherwise the route guidance is really good. So this is Grand Hotel Kempinski. This is rated the best hotel in Slovakia, and it's not even in the capital city. A little tight road here, but it's fine. So I'm curious, sometimes here are parking really high-end cars and really interesting cars. So maybe I can see something exotic, like G-Class 4x4 squared was there last time. And yeah, many cars. You never know what you can find here. Also the foreign cars. So this is the hotel. It's a mountain hotel resort. Mountain resort hotel. Car is comfortable even on this like road. Oh, Mercedes AMG from Poland, AMG 43 GLE. Alright, there is a C-Class, green, matte green. Should I park next to it? Not sure there is enough space. Maybe. there because yeah, this is Brabus actually. Oh, there is there. Probably because car was slightly opened. I can also park maybe here. Okay, I'm going to park here. So parking with this car is easy because you have automatic parking if you need it, if you need to use it. Or I'm going to turn and park. I can also park next to the GLE Mercedes family. Sorry. What can you do for me? Oh, this is too steep for an AMG. So I'm going to turn and park there. Okay, no big deal. To let go this Dacia. Okay. So yeah, ML also here. So I cannot park here because there is maybe like entrance. I need to take a photo of that for Instagram, but I can park here probably. Okay, I'm going to park here. This is popular resort, so that's why sometimes it's challenging to park. Okay. Okay, so we are here.